What's good, boys? First YouTube video on the new channel. This will be my trading channel. So I'm gonna do a trade review right now. That I took a trade I took today. I took it out today, unfortunately, but I'm happy with the loss. And I took a W yesterday. Today it's January 7th, 2026. And I'm gonna show you guys my thought process on this trade that I took today. And yeah. So basically, what I did on this trade is I marked out all the sessions: Asian session, London session, pre-market New York, and I marked out 1 hour highs and 4 hour highs. I wanted to see what London did. London honestly didn't do really anything, so London consolidated. Didn't really have any big moves. So we had London consolidation, New York manipulation, and reversal today. Um, so market open, and I saw that we came up and swept out both these high time frame highs on the hourly time frame. Um, and then I saw that, so I went down to the 5 minute. I was like, okay, bet. So I waited for a confirmation confluence, such as a breaker structure, 79% extension, or inverse fair value gap. I saw that we broke structure right here on the 5 minute. So I was like, okay, I moved on to the next step. I saw that we had 5 minute equilibrium right here. I saw that we were in this discount, in this premium equilibrium. So I went down to the 1 minute, and I saw that we broke structure right here on the 1 minute. So I was like, okay, bet. So I entered right here. I set stops above the equilibrium, and then I set my take profits down near these hourly lows. Unfortunately, we did get stopped out. It was 1.5 restored ratio. Um, Unfortunately, we got stopped out. Just totally okay. Um, it was a textbook setup. My strategy obviously doesn't work 100% of the time. No one's strategy works 100% of the time. You don't have a 100% win rate. Yeah, so I took this trade on NQ, but actually on ES, I usually trade on ES. I saw this kind of little paper trade I took. Um, the 1 to 2 restore ratio, hitting full take profit off of bearish SMT, breaker structure, gap, tapped into that gap on the 1 minute. I tried that out. See, tapped in on the 1 minute, tapped in on the 1 minute, and then I saw we broke structure. So I entered, and then obviously would hit full take profit. Yeah. So honestly, that was a good trade to take, but one key factor that I kind of didn't really wasn't really focused on was we were almost at all-time highs on ES. Um, so that's kind of one of the main factors why we're kind of bullish during earlier part of the day, and then we kind of have this retracement down. We did actually retrace down into this premium right here. So my thoughts on this is I think we're gonna obviously stay in this retrace on this premium, probably take out high time frame lows, and then slowly make our way up to all-time highs, sweeping out all-time highs probably during this week. But yeah, so that was my thought process. I should have paid more attention to these all-time highs. We almost came and took them out, but we didn't. We retraced so I could fill more orders. And yeah, so that was my thought process of the day today. Um, didn't find a setup on ES on NQ. We did though. So we also did have news today. We had Jolt's jobs openings, and we also had PMI early morning though. So 8 a.m. was the job openings. So I took the trade around 10. I waited till that to see if it had any effect on the market. It kind of didn't really. But yeah.